Oh no, this is the same girl. I had stopped that girl from entering inside, sir. Now you can see. Hey, you had come to the police station the other day.
Sir, please, I'll come to the police station and give my statement. She's not keeping well right now. This happened when she was trying to save my life. Please help me, sir. Please help me.
Take her to the ambulance.
Please hurry up.
Take her to the ambulance.
Come on, please hurry up.
Sir, will you please tell
Excuse
us
me,
how
not
did
right
the
now,
room
please.
catch fire? And what is going on inside? How did you?
Sir,
how did
please
you
don't
come out
waste
of
my
the hotel?
time. Please,
Sir, please tell
I
us.
request you.
Lord knows when did Mithai go out of the house. I just don't understand how she landed up amidst the fire.
Shri, we saw in the news that Mithai is on the stretcher, and contacting brother Sid now is. Hey Shri, tell me, Mithai is all right, isn't she?
They are back. I'll go and check. Don't worry.
Hey, Lord, bless this family. Please protect my family, Lord.
Hurry up,
Please
hurry up.
Protect,
Come on.
protect
Careful.
my
Be
family.
careful.
Be careful.
Siddharth, are you both all right?
Mithai?
Why isn't Mithai opening her eyes?
Mithai? Siddharth, what has happened to Mithai? Siddharth,
Mithai?
what is wrong with Mithai? Tell me.
Grandma,
What?
she was given an injection at the hospital. She's all right otherwise. But she has inhaled a lot of smoke. She needs to be under observation.
Mithai?
Shri, don't wake her up now. Didn't you hear that she's sleeping?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Sir, please carry her to her room. It's on the first floor.
Follow us.
Be careful.
Siddharth,
Yes, tell
This
me.
way.
you became annoyed with me and left the house? What great disaster could have happened? What were you thinking? Did you want your grandpa to die? Don't you know that I have grown old?
Grandpa, let's not talk about these things now. After talking to the doctor once, my phone has got discharged and has switched off. Sandy,
Yes,
please call up doctor. I need
brother said, calm down and sit somewhere. I'll call the doctor. You are exhausted. Please sit down. Please. Sit here.
Grandma, I'm not injured or burnt. Actually, I was holding my breath, so I didn't inhale much smoke. But that girl, she thinks herself a superwoman. She thinks she is greater than firefighters. She hid from everyone and came from the rear staircase. Ridiculous. Do you know how much smoke she has inhaled?
Okay, fine. Drink some water. Drink.
Sid, are you okay? Are you fine? Tess is going crazy. I was asking, how are you feeling now? They discharged you from the hospital.
Aunt, I'm fine.
Yes.
Sandy, you call up the doctor,
Sure,
please.
sure.
By the grace of Lord, they both have reached home safely. Have a seat, Revati, and thanks a lot for coming.
Okay, uncle, I'm sitting. Okay, tell me, uncle, how did Mithai reach there? Actually, you were seen on the TV carrying Mithai, Siddharth.
Let's not discuss about all that now, Mrs. Roy. Mom asked Siddharth to go to his room and rest. Meanwhile, I'll call up Dr. Ghosh.
Uncle, I've already called him up.
You know what, uncle? You all are already in such a big problem. On top of that, girls like Mithai just add on to the problem. Now you all will be troubled because of Mithai.
Aunt, you know what? The room that I was staying in was so filled with smoke that I wasn't able to breathe. That girl came even before the firefighters could reach and help me get out of the room. So I don't think that she has increased the problem. Rather, if she wouldn't have reached there, Anyway, Sandy,
Yes.
I'm going to my room. You call me once the doctor's here. Grandma, something terrible could have happened today. But somehow that did not happen.
Don't worry, Samresh. Siddharth is all right. Don't be so restless.
I don't think that she has increased the problem. Rather, had she not been there,
Hey, Nipa, will Mithai be alright?
Shri, you heard brother Siddharth. Mithai is sleeping because the doctor gave her an injection. Why are you worrying so much?
Hey, Shri. Is everything alright?
She's still sleeping. How will I understand if she's alright or not? You know, I'm feeling so guilty, Sandy. I wish I hadn't said anything to Grandpa about Siddharth. Then we wouldn't have had to see this dreadful day. You were right. You were absolutely right. I shouldn't have informed Grandpa about Siddharth and Torsha.
congratulations, Mithai. You have snatched my grandpa from me.
It's okay, it's okay. You should forget about all this. It's okay.
Sandy, if you guys are so concerned about my personal life, then you could have asked me directly. Why I got stuck at Tessa's place last night.
No, brother Sid. We don't need to know anything else. Actually, Shri got excited. She loves Mithai a lot. Anyways, forget about all this. Listen, Dr. Uncle is coming. You two get your checkup done.
Look, it's true that I had gone to Tessa's place to lighten up my mood. You all know that she is my longtime friend. The two of us have known each other for long. Look, last night when I had gone to Tessa's place, our boss had made an emergency call. Tess had to go to Bangalore and I had to drop her to the airport. That's it. Look, I don't share my personal life with anyone. I don't share my personal life with anyone. That's not my trait. Let me tell you, the way you guys are thinking, actually, that's not the truth. Anyway, you please inform Grandpa. Actually, you know what? Till date, Grandpa used to trust me. But these days, I don't know why, he isn't able to trust me.
Where is everyone? Here you are, Siddharth. What's the matter, Siddharth? What have I heard? How are you now? Are you having any problem?
I'm all right, Uncle. I didn't inhale much smoke, but Mithai inhaled a lot of smoke. She has received the first aid at the hospital, but I think you should check her once.
Of course, of course. Let me have a look.
Have a seat, doctor.
Thank you, Sandeep. Mithai, open your eyes, come on. Oh, okay. Let me see. Take a deep breath, okay? Take a deep breath, okay?
Take it easy.
Yes, now turn your side.
Slowly, slowly.
Be careful. Everything seems all right. I'm sure few tests must have been done. Let the reports come, we will decide what to do. Are you feeling any discomfort, Mithai? Okay. I am prescribing an ointment. Apply it regularly on your burns. Don't miss it, okay? Understand? And now you should take complete rest. I have to observe for next 3 days. Just to observe if she has any breathing problem, okay?
Here you go. Okay then.
Okay. I'll take a leave. I'll take this with me.
Brother Siddharth, why don't you also get a checkup done?
I am there to handle any problem. Your brother is fine, Nipa. Bye for now. Bye, Siddharth. Okay, bye, everyone.
Sister, I'm all right now. What about the dinner? Sister Nipa, is father's food kept?
Look, Nipa, ask her not to act too precautious. Does she think herself as a superwoman? Why did she come to the guest house without asking anyone? Huh? What, is she a firefighter or something? She knows how to rescue people trapped in fire, right? If she doesn't know, then why did she come without asking anything to anyone?
Sister, ask the angry boy of your family not to be so angry. Is he a hero of a film? He isn't, right? He also suffered a lot. He wasn't being able to even breathe. Now he's bragging. And firefighters have many tasks at hand. Lord has helped. That's why he's being able to talk so much today. Or else? Should anyone get angry on one's grandfather, break glass and walk out of the house? Yes? Isn't that rude?
Okay, calm down now. There is no need to become so excited. Calm
Listen, ask her not to talk too much. I just can't tolerate it anymore. Before preaching me, did she even think that if anything happens to her, what will I tell Aunt Parvati, huh? She didn't even think about Grandpa. She doesn't think about anyone. Listen, ask her to follow doctor's instructions properly.
Pass him the water. Give him water. Brother Siddharth, drink some water. Here you go. You know what I'm saying, brother? Please don't be so agitated now. Just relax.
Thank you, Nipa. I'll go crazy because of this express train someday.
Mithai is the one always to be blamed. Whatever Mithai has done, only she is responsible for that.
Mithai isn't being able to imagine what she has done for this family. Today, Sid at least realized that.
Yes, Mithai. The way Brother Siddharth was carrying you in his arms, we saw it all on the news. Isn't it, Sandy?
My sister has said something very nice after a long time. No, I'm saying this because the tension has cleared out. It's exactly like the heroes of romantic films.
Oh Lord, no danger should ever befall on Mr. Bittergourd. Please keep grandfather's grandson safe.
Shri! Shri! Shri? How is she now? She's not in the room. I don't believe this. Mithai! Mithai! I knew it. I knew that you're up to something. Why did you get up from bed even after repeatedly asking you not to? Why are you so foolish? Huh? What are you trying to prove? That you can extend your service at any given moment, right? You purposefully pretended in front of Grandpa so that we all feel guilt and Grandpa sympathizes more with you. I just can't tolerate all this, Mithai.
What happened, Sid? Why are you shouting so much?
You all can see only me getting mad. Can't you see her antics? Doctor has repeatedly asked her not to get up from the bed and rest instead. But this genius of yours just didn't pay any heed to it. She came down early in the morning in order to extend her service. As if without her running in this house, no work will be done.
Grandmother, ask your angry grandson who will make the tea. Aunt is not at the home. Sister Shri and Sister Neepa were awake all night because of me. A tempest has blown in all of your lives because of this brat grandson of yours. I am fine. I am absolutely all right. I can do everything. Mithai can't be bogged down by such simple problems. I have the habit of hard work. Yes, Mithai has expressed everything clearly. What else can be done now?
Grandma asked her not to cross her limits. I'm warning her repeatedly. If anything bad happens, you all will be answerable.
Sid, Sid, she won't listen to me. Ask your grandpa to say this to Mithai. She will listen then.
Grandma, you rather ask Grandpa. I've become the reason for Grandpa's disgrace, right?
Grandpa, actually, we all had misunderstood Brother Sid. Sid got stuck at Torsha's place due to some work. Then he went to drop Torsha at the airport, so he couldn't reach home.
But that's not enough, Sandy. He should have called up home and informed us. Anyway, forget it. Listen, don't let Mithai do much work today.
So you won't listen to me, right? All right. Do whatever you please.
Sid? Mithai? Dad, where is Sid and Mithai? Huh? Here they are. Hey, Sid. Are you all right, my child? Are you harmed? I was so tense since yesterday after I heard the news. What did you do? Are you hurt? Are you okay? Mithai?
I'm all right, Aunt. Just ask your genius Mithai not to do anything. She's just not listening to me.
What are you doing in the kitchen today? Get out. I will handle the kitchen today. Really? Everybody went through a tough time today. Hey, Mom, just
Yes?
get her out of here. Go.
Yes,
Take
of
her
course.
away. Hey, Sister Nanda, listen. I'm absolutely all right. Hey, Mithai. I'm absolutely all right. Now that you all are here, Mithai is very happy now. Now that you'll handle the kitchen, let me go to the puja room. Grandfather, grandmother, let's go to the puja room.
Hey Ratul,
Yes?
weren't we here to meet the patient?
Yes, exactly. But after coming here, I see the situation is totally different.
Yes.
Opa, why don't you make the tea? I better go. I have to go to the prayer room. I have to change my clothes too. Listen, please get up. You also wanted to worship, right? Come along.
By the way, why is Grandpa looking so sad? We have passed a huge disaster. Yet why is everyone so upset?
What can I say, Ratul? This is the effect from last night. Grandpa and Siddharth are upset with each other. I am the one who is guilty.
Oh, come on. I can't take this anymore. I wish I could take their pictures together and post it on social media #RealHeroes. But no, everybody looks so gloomy. I just don't like this. One bad incident after another keeps taking place in this house. This never seems to stop.
But what is the Halla party there for? We are going to fix everything. Join hands.